Hey everyone, welcome back to Nothing Can Stop Us Now. This week we're bringing you along on an extra special adventure. That's right, we're headed to Pickens, South Carolina. We're celebrating our amazing friend Melissa's birthday. She's one of the best people on planet Earth, and we're excited to share this journey with her and with all of you. First up on our trip, we head to Sasafrass Mountain, the highest peak in South Carolina. And that's not all, we also head over to Jones Gap State Park and then stumble along our own private waterfall. This is an adventure that you're not going to want to miss, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Make sure to subscribe and come back. We post here weekly on YouTube, and we can't wait to have you join our NC Sun family.
They said get our bathing suits.
Bye.
First floor, master. Just put your stuff in there and change and come on down.
Okay. Alright guys, it is Friday. We just arrived at our friend's birthday weekend. We are actually near Lake Jocassee, which is one of my favorite places on the whole planet Earth. And we're here to celebrate one of my favorite people on the planet Earth, Melissa. And we'll show you them later. They're in the hot tub and they just yelled, "Get your bathing suits on and come in." So I think that's what we're gonna do. And yay! We made it. It's late. It's like 12:30. It's always an adventure. Alright. Look. Happy trails. I'm pretty sure they said that we're all sleeping in the same room tonight.
Oh, there's beds down here. What are they talking about?
Yeah, but
Triple bunk bed?
trip bunk.
Dude, what are you still doing up? I thought you would have gone to bed immediately.
Y'all have made it to Pickens.
Hey, whose are these? Can I have shade?
Yeah, you can have one. Yep.
We'll get one.
Hey,
Hey, I can smell chlorine.
I think this is gonna be our room.
Oh, there's a lot of stairs.
Yeah. Reading weekend. Crow's nest. Check out later. Yeah, it's gorgeous. No, not yet. I'm gonna have to wait.
Just windows all the way around.
I want to see it in the daytime.
I know.
I'm Larry.
Oh, that's right. You're Larry.
I'm Larry.
Little real tree.
Hi, my name's Larry. It's my brother Larry. My other brother Larry.
We got another
Hey, I'm Larry.
My other
Nice
brother.
to meet you, Larry.
My other brother Larry.
Oh, hey, Larry.
Hi.
My other brother Larry.
Oh, we got a couple Larrys over here.
And my other brother Larry. Hey Larry.
Oh, hey, Larry.
Larry. Say hey to Larry.
Hey, this is Larry with Larry Vandalay Industries. If you need any shipping or receiving products, I'm your man.
Yellow. What delay industries?
Larry, good one.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
Sixes. Come on, sixes. I got one more to get 2 sixes. Come on, give me a Yahtzee. No.
So tonight we're hanging out with Julie and Jason and Stevie and Melissa. They are our best friends, and well, how do I put this? I guess we get a little weird sometimes. And this was definitely one of those times. We found a ton of curly wigs in the closet, and so we decided to put them on and have a concert.
Big round of applause.
Thank you.
God.
Hi, good morning. We are gonna go up to the crow's nest. We woke up, we had breakfast, we sat on the porch for a while. I just showered, put on my overalls, and oh my God. Wow. What? Look at this. So cool. We're just surrounded by mountains. So we are going to Sasafrass Mountain to try and find some morel mushrooms. If you don't know about morel mushrooms, you need to know. They're the kind that you eat and they're delicious. They're amazing. I will see if I can get Melissa to explain about them too. But we're gonna go on an adventure and see who can find the coolest thing in the woods. So I'm very excited. I can't wait to bring you guys along. Oh, it's so nice up here.
I would climb every mountain with you. Well, the clouds rolled in. There was lightning, there was thunder, there was rain. As we hid beneath our shelter, all the doubts that we had felt came pouring in as a flood we had to face. Then came the sunshine, the clouds rolled back and color filled the earth. And the rain, it brought the flowers. You could sit and stare for hours, and the toil and the struggle showed its worth. Why do people climb mountains? Is it just to reach the top and see?
Where Andrew Pickens' Cherokee line of 1797 intersected with the Continental Divide. And that's why, on a map of South Carolina, the state boundary transitions from a squiggly line on Sasafrass Mountain down
Sassy.
all the way to a straight line all the way to Elliott's Rock on the Chattahooga River. And now you know. Tick.
It's a wild Melissa in her natural habitat.
It is.
There's her counterpart, Stevie. Watch as Melissa stalks her prey. You heard a growl?
Maybe. I heard something weird.
Look what I found. Reishi.
Is that edible?
Fresh reishi.
Do you eat that?
Medicinal.
Yeah.
It's medicinal? It'll
Reishi.
make-
How beautiful.
Does it taste good or just in medicine?
That grind it up or I want to make sure it's reishi.
There.
Ooh! Oh no!
What was that, magnolia flower?
It's a tulip pop. Tulip pop.
Is what I was saying. For mash.
Oh my god, it is. Get them all.
So
See, look at that branch that's cut right down there, Stevie. That's a that is a Mount Laurel.
Photo.
Stevie, if you see another one of these, pick it up, okay? And then look, I think it's a lily. This is actually an orchid. Right over there, Stevie. Look, the white thing that's sticking up. Shit, now that's over here.
Come, brother. Oh god.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You saved my life.
You're welcome.
I am starving.
Aunt Sue's.
What's today? We know they're open.
Thank you, sir.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I didn't know it was full on restaurant.
I love it here. You know I love it here.
I need that cookie.
Which one?
The one that's the size of my face.
Oh, yeah.
Can you tell me what's in a tater tot bowl? I can hardly wait. I'll sit here so that I can get the pillar to my elbow. Would you like to do it?
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
You want more still? Yeah. I can do that.
It's all good. I'll take care of it.
I'm sorry.
No worries.
Good.
Yeah, you want to sit next to the birthday girl? Cheers.
Hot honey chicken?
Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna get.
That sounds good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Still more on the back.
Hot honey chicken.
So I need Dr. Pepper, more tea. Everyone else good?
It looks phenomenal.
Could
Could I have another ranch, please?
Yes. Do we need a couple maybe?
Yeah, probably,
Okay.
yeah. Meow.
I mean,
Honey fried chicken, hot honey fried chicken. Oh my gosh, these pickle skewers.
This cabin is so cool.
What is it? Fried?
country fried chicken.
Country fried chicken.
The okra's so good.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
I want to
super
marry
fresh.
this okra.
God, it is so
You hear that, Jason?
I feel like I need a
Pretty good banana.
Ooh, that does sound good. Look at this. Moon pie with an RC cola. Uh-oh, what do we got here? Little Tinkerbell? What? Eat mo pie.
Look at this mushroom.
Oh, it's from Super Mario.
Luigi.
It's not Luigi.
No, but he's green.
Yeah.
Nope,
No.
it's been a beautiful day.
Yeah, it does. Mmm. Smells like Christmas.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, another mushroom.
Oh, there's another one, a red one over there.
You see the one that I have in my little pocket?
Do what?
I accidentally knocked it over.
Oh, you have a mushroom in your pocket.
I got a mushroom in my pocket. What is that?
I don't know.
Melissa, what is this funky stuff? Rhododendron?
That's what we were seeing over there. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. Look at this. Did you crawl in there to survive a night? If you had to?
I don't think I've survived the snakes and the mosquitoes and
Spiderwebs.
cool poplar.
You go ahead.
Well, what's this? Some kind of man-made object.
Oh, springs. Bed springs.
Spring. We must be close to civilization.
I wish we could just find like 50 morel mushrooms right now in one area and we could just have a feast tonight.
Yeah,
Awesome.
I would enjoy that.
Same. All right, we just did a little foraging right next to the river. Oh, so Stevie and I got this game going on where he'll take a tree branch and get me wet from the rain.
It's funny.
It's funny, we're having fun. I'm not gonna get him back later with an entire bucket of water.
Tenfold.
Tenfold. Remember those couple drops you put on me? You're taking a bath tonight.
Let's go, Larry's. Now. Woo!
Let's go, girls. Come on.
We have our hair. It's Melissa. Can you tell it's me under here? Okay.
I'm Larry.
This is Larry.
I'm Larry.
Yeah.
Larry.
This is also Larry.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Larry.
I think we have two more Larrys.
I'm sorry to just barge in on you.
Oh. Oh, I love you, baby. Miss Kitty. Is it a Miss Kitty or a little Mr. Boo? Which is it? She is gorgeous. You are so pretty. Hi, baby.
All right, so we're at the ranger house and apparently there's an outdoor shower in a tree over here. And there it is.
Yeah.
Somewhere in the crowd there's you.
It's a nice little neighborhood. It's on a golf course.
Yeah, do you see how many lots were for sale on your way up?
I didn't look at it. I wasn't looking for it.
There's like one lot that's like cliff. It's like super steep. What are you gonna
On
do
the
with
cliff.
Welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the vlog.
This is our YouTube channel.
Hola. Buenos dias.
We're
in the mountains.
necessarily Spanish.
Oh.
YouTube
Oh, I'm
channel.
sorry. Hello.
No,
We're in the mountains.
We
We're of
welcome
all-
everybody.
We're of all languages.
There's a mushroom.
You're Spanish. Okay, we're going to find this waterfall.
No, spider webs. All right, we got some over here.
I thought the waterfall looked bigger than that on the picture. Oh, there's one.
I think there's one down there too. Yeah.
That's cool. Those are cool little ones right there.
I love how flat these are.
This is cool.
Somebody slide down it.
Wow. Yeah.
Watch out for poison.
Isn't this pretty? That looks really slidey. I don't know about that. Oh my God, spider. God. Oh, I'm freaking out. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's so pretty. Oh my God. I did. Yeah. Isn't it cool?
Yeah, you can go under this waterfall.
Yeah.
How great
But
is
you
that?
might die, but.
I don't know. Oh God. I'm gonna stay with my wife on this. Oh God.
I took a couple spiders to the face even.
Really?
Look at this. Wow.
Okay, this is my shelter.
Right.
Supported.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Y'all.
Look back there real quick.
I think, oh my God, look.
Larry's a lizard!
Yeah, but look at your lizard friend.
Oh, that's it.
Are there hieroglyphics on that rock right now?
He just killed you.
Oh, wow.
Alright. I'm getting a head start. We just went and waterfall chased. It was awesome. We're on the way home. We're gonna cook dinner of some sort. And keep hanging out and celebrating Melissa.
Well, if we had to fight a bear,
Everybody carries just a little bit.
Fight a bear, I got my stand.
You know, we moved a
I got a knife
mountain.
right here, but your Stanley might do better than a knife. Getting the party started?
Yes!
There's Stevie, aka Stove.
The karaoke is commencing. Just feel free to sign up. We've got a table in the back. We're selling some good merch. Tonight on special, we've got $3.50 fireball shots. We got pickleback chasers.
Tip your bartenders!
That's about Pickens, y'all. Well, you guys, thanks for coming. Welcome to Pickens, Elliot. All of the Larrys welcome you. Frank Larry will pull him out.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Elliot! Saving people on the mountain. Local hero.
He saved the
Hey, Elliot.
Larry.
Hey, Larry.
Hi, I'm Larry. It's nice to meet you, Larry.
Hey,
Oh my God, you are Bob Ross.
It is happy little tree.
Excited to be here and to see. Oh my gosh, like it's magical here.
Dude, this is it.
I mean,
This is
come
paradise.
on.
Yeah.
Julie is our host tonight.
Oh.
Yes,
Of our
I will be the
karaoke
host
right now.
of karaoke night. So if you have like a song you want to sing, I can be backup singer for pretty much anything, and I will be whether you want me to or not.
So this is the Jambulance.
350. Yeah, it's 350.
Yeah,
It's 4x4.
I like the AC on the front.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, it's a good spot
Is
for
this
it.
just storage?
No, man, I think it's the coolest part about it, but no one else does.
I do.
I've never even been in a real ambulance.
Is it a shower? A kitchen?
No. Keep guessing.
A closet?
It's
No.
a table.
It's a table. It's a.
Oh, batteries.
So it's the
Generator.
batteries.
Yes.
Generator.
So-
You're running solar?
No, not yet. I'm set up to put them on, but I can run the air
Awesome.
condition for 2 hours, or excuse me, for 8 hours on this battery.
Nice.
Wow, that's fantastic.
Very nice.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, hop in.
Stop it. Gosh. What? Oh my god.
You're the man.
Dude.
I would live in here.
Dude.
No, we are not just being nice. This is awesome.
Oh yeah.
I love this.
Badass, man.
You got a TV mounted?
Everything.
This is way.
I mean, next thing you like, once you, I mean, I guess once you go solar, you could get like one of those,
Yeah, fridge, yeah.
like, or electric. You know those electric like coolers.
Yeah.
They have like a freezer side and.
It's like 900.
It's perfect. The most magical thing I've ever seen, Elliot.
He's got steps all the way up.
Look at that. Oh, he's walking above our heads. It's like when the raccoons were on our ceiling.
Flashback.
Oh, Lord.
Still got the Star of Life up here.
Oh, there's another step you can take.
I cannot believe this.
You can step. He was stepping on the shelf too.
This is incredible. Are you?
No, you're fine.
How much room is up there? There can't be.
Wait, are we like? It'll take.
I feel like I am in The Walking Dead right now.
Walking Dead. This is sweet.
What?
I can't.
This is insanity.
There's no way all these people are up in this ceiling right now.
What's happening?
Yeah, like what RV can you do that? Right?
What's the max weight?
Is this real?
It's real life.
One, two,
Careful.
Here's the ambulance
Please
logo.
be careful now. Sit down. Get a little,
I'm just getting onto the other side so they can come up.
get a little bit lower for me. He lives on ladders for a living, so that's fine, but...
Oh well. Doing lights?
Yeah.
Shut up!
It is a little dirty.
Look at Julie!
Stop it!
Elvis? Is that you?
This is the greatest second story I've ever seen in my whole life.
Rooftop bar?
Yeah. The solar's gonna
Dad,
take up some
is this
space.
real?
Yeah.
You could like just lay up here and stargaze.
Yeah.
Jason, I want one.
Have you ever
Up
brought? Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
So did you strip this down to the walls and rebuild it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. It was a lot of work.
Foam insulation?
Yeah.
The dense foam?
Yeah, just foam boards.
What is that?
Is that a meteorite?
Climbed up through the hole.
I love it, dude. Did good work.
Thank you. It's still a work in progress.
How long
Zombie
did it take you?
apocalypse
How long
vehicle.
did it
Oh,
take you?
dude. So it's an indoor shower, you know, if you want it to be, or it's an outdoor shower if you want it to be.
Wait, what?
So,
Oh, and that connects. Okay.
Yeah, but like when you open the door, you know, you can take a shower.
Oh,
out here,
nice.
Or you can do it in there. So
I didn't even see this curtain right here. I didn't even notice.
that's where all the electrical shit was, and then 13-gallon fresh, 13-gallon gray.
Nice.
So I gotta ask you, what kind of mileage are you getting on it?
Man, I'm averaging probably 10.5.
That's not bad for something like this.
Right?
Hot tub chilling.
Woo! This is a life. Hi everybody. It's late. We just got done hanging out. We were all out on the porch forever, just having such a good time and singing and reading angel cards and just chatting about life, and we just had the best day in South Carolina. I am super excited for tomorrow, but today was just so much fun at Jones Gap State Park. We went to Aunt Sue's. Also, do you guys say aunt or aunt? I definitely say aunt. I don't know why. What region is that? Like, why do I say aunt? What else did we do? We went and saw a waterfall. And what else did we do today? Waterfall.
We ate at
Aunt Sue's. We went to Jones Gap. Oh, we went to Sasafrass Mountain. So we did so much today.
It was a long day. I'm ready.
Yeah.
I'm excited for bed.
I'm exhausted. Tomorrow's gonna be so much fun.
Yeah.
Elliot is our park ranger friend, Melissa's park ranger friend. Her brother also came here today, so he's here with us, Garrett. I don't know what else we're gonna do tomorrow, but I know we're going to have Deer Fest 2024. We're gonna cook a lot of deer meat and just like eat a ton of amazing food, and I'm looking forward to it. I can't wait. Today was fun. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, share with a friend, and stay along with us as we continue on this journey.
We'll see you next week.
Climb every mountain.